Creating YouTube content for a growth-focused channel involves strategic planning, engaging presentation, and audience interaction. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating a video with 10 tips for growing a YouTube channel. Step 1. Define your audience and niche before diving into content creation. Identify your target audience and niche. Understanding your audience's interests will help tailor your tips to their specific needs. Step 2. Research and brainstorm topics. Research popular topics within your niche and brainstorm relevant tips. Consider the challenges your audience faces and how your tips can address those challenges. Step 4. Create an engaging script. Draft a script that outlines each tip clearly and concisely. Ensure your script has a logical flow and keeps the audience's attention. Use a conversational tone to connect with viewers. Step 4. Develop visually appealing thumbnails and titles. Design eye-catching thumbnails that reflect the video's content and create a sense of curiosity. Craft compelling titles that make viewers want to click and watch your video. Step 5. Film professional-looking content. Invest in good lighting, a quality camera, and clear audio equipment. Maintain a clean and professional-looking background. Speak clearly and energetically to keep viewers engaged. Step 6. Edit your video professionally. Edit your video to enhance its visual appeal. Cut out unnecessary pauses or mistakes. Add relevant graphics or text overlays, and use background music to maintain a lively atmosphere. Step 7. Implement SEO strategies. Optimize your video for search engines by including relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This will help your video rank higher in search results, attracting more viewers.
Step 8. Encourage viewer interaction throughout the video. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask them to share their thoughts or experiences related to the tips you're providing. Respond to comments to foster a sense of community. Step 9. Promote your video across platforms. Share your video on social media platforms, forums, or communities related to your niche. Leverage different channels to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your YouTube video. Step 10. Monitor analytics and adapt after your video is live. Monitor analytics to understand viewer behavior. Identify what works well and what can be improved. Use this data to refine your content strategy for future videos. Step 11. Create a consistent upload schedule. Establish a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. Regular content uploads help build anticipation and loyalty among your viewers. Step 12. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations can introduce your channel to a new audience and provide valuable insights. Step 13. Stay authentic and passionate. Authenticity is key to building a loyal audience. Share your passion for your niche and let your personality shine through. Viewers are more likely to connect with genuine content. By following these steps, you can create YouTube content that not only provides valuable tips but also engages and grows your audience. Remember to stay consistent, adapt to audience feedback, and enjoy the process of creating content for your growth channel.